Heyo, boss, and welcome back. We got a cheesy one today. This thing's cheesier than a Jimmy Fungus pickup line. Is that you, Jimmy? Is that your line? Anyways, be sure to go check out Jimmy Fungus. This is a small shout out. We're going to do a bigger one later for you. Chef loves Jimmy. He's one of the funniest guys he knows on YouTube. Today, Chef's going to make a cheesy Queso Supreme. And this video is dedicated to all the gamers. Thanks for the music too, Jimmy. We got this from your channel as well. Let's go ahead and get cooking. So in a large bowl, you're going to go ahead and melt up some Velveeta cheese. Ooh, look at that steam. Must be thinking about Jimmy. Next, you're going to go ahead and add any salsa you want. Of course, Chef's using paste because we're not sponsored. And it's going to be mild because Chef isn't a risk taker. Sorry. And next up, you got a little bit of lime juice. And then give that a good stir.
Dude, sorry. I found nothing on this safari.
Okay. Add your whisk it up.
There's a chest that's just down there. The storm is coming fast and
then next up, go ahead and add this to a oven-safe casserole bowl like this. If you have a small one, you can use that. You're going to go ahead and put this in your oven next. You want to set it to about 450 degrees. And I don't know why Chef has it at that angle. He could have just raised the tripod. 450 degrees for about 10 or so minutes.
We can be pro Fortnite gamers.
Alright, Chef's going to take it out. And now you can kind of break that nice layer apart. And it's nice and warm and it's ready to go. You can do two things. You can serve it up like this and you will be a star. Or you can go supreme and add more cheese. What you're going to do, because you're supreme. So add some shredded cheddar cheese on top. Put it back in the oven and let the cheese melt. Of course, always be safe, Chef said. Using his hot hands there. Looks like he needs some new ones. And there it is. With his Tostios. We're going to give all the shout outs today because no one's sponsoring us, so why not? Chef's going to give us a little view here.
I just got a victory royale. A victory royale. Take me to your Xbox to play Fortnite too.
Holy cow, that thing's so cheesy he can't even hold it.
But not Loot Lake. I really love to Chug with you.
Oh, baby.
We can be pro Fortnite.
Well, thanks again for joining us today. Here it is. Here's a nice picture for you. Make sure you check out this video. Please do check out other videos. This one was simple and it came out delicious. Don't forget to check out Jimmy Fungus there on YouTube. He's got some great videos as well. And always remember, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. This one's for you, gamers.